Baby, I need to know more.
Hey guys, so for today's video, I will teach you how to make your own Zebedee account if you don't have Zebedee accounts yet. So first is download the application. The link is in the description box below, guys, and log in with Bitstamp, Google account, Discord account, or email. So once you log in, just wait for a while and click allow, click next. You need to make your own gamer tag, guys, and there we have it. What are sats? Please read this one, guys, because this is very important. One sat is equals to 0.0000000. There's a lot of zero to count. 1 BTC. And just click next and click choose my gamer tag. There will be a gamer tag suggestion here, and if you are satisfied with it, just click ready. You can change the gamer tag, guys, if you want, but I'm already satisfied with the suggestion gamer tag. So I can see here that I don't have sats yet because I just made the account. That's all for today's video, guys. Subscribe. Bye.